Hello, good morning, dear students. Today we are going once again checking the dimensional consistency of equation. Consistency check means LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so this is the left hand side is equal to right hand. Sir, lecture खाली 15-20 मिनट. Okay. Good morning, dear friends. Today we are going with checking the dimensional consistency of equation. Once again, we repeat this topic and some different sum we have to calculate here. So checking the dimensional consistency of equation is that is just simple. It is LHS is equal to RHS. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side. If this condition is fulfilled, so we can say this equation is consistent with each other. Okay. Now there is some different sum we have to calculate here. Sum is S is equal to ut plus 1/2 at t square. The statement is that check the correctness of the relation S is equal to ut. Here equation is given S is equal to ut plus 1/2 at square. S is equal to ut plus 1/2 at square, where u is equal to initial velocity. U is equal to initial velocity and A is equal to acceleration. A is equal to acceleration. T is equal to time and S is equal to displacement. S is equal to displacement. Okay, there are the physical quantity is given. It is just like that. Once again, u is equal to initial velocity, A is equal to acceleration, T is equal to time and S is equal to displacement. We know that the dimensional formula of velocity, acceleration, time and displacement. The dimensional formula is the initial velocity, final velocity, all the velocity. The dimensional formula is same for all. Okay, so here initial velocity, that is the dimensional formula is L1 t minus 1. Okay, for the acceleration, that is L1 t minus 2. Here the time, it is only just t1 and also writing m0 l0 t1 and displacement, it is L1. Okay, so that is very simple. The initial velocity, acceleration, time and displacement, the dimensional formula is just like that. Okay, now we have to compare and just LHS is equal to RHS. So S is equal to displacement. What is the dimensional formula? It is L1. Here V0t means here the u is equal to initial velocity. Its dimensional formula L1 t minus 1 and that is time t1. Okay, that is t minus 1 and t1 both are cancelled, plus that is here 1/2 at square. A is equal to acceleration and 1/2 has no dimension. So there is no dimensional formula for the 1/2 because it is constant. And remember, okay, constant has no dimensional formula. Okay, now here the acceleration L1 t minus 2 into here the t square, it means t square, t raised to 2. Minus 2 and plus 2 both are cancelled here. So here the L1 plus L1 Yes, there is some situation in the addition of dimensional formula, and here we can say that is L1, it is also distance, there is L1, it is also distance, distance plus distance, we can write it is distance. Here we can see that is a condition LHS is equal to RHS is fulfilled. So we can say this equation is correct. LHS is equal to RHS. So this equation is correct. From this equation, I want to ask you that is, if the equation is correct, okay, if the equation is correct, तो यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? S is equal to displacement u into t, that are also velocity into time, that is called displacement. Here the term, if the equation is correct, here the term we can say it is also displacement. It means if this equation LHS is equal to h with physical quantity, we compare on both sides. It means suppose here there is another equation, f is equal to a plus bt square. F is equal to what? A plus bt square. Okay. Now we have to find out a and b. We have to find out a and b. Okay. This equation is correct. Okay. This equation is correct. Okay. So here we compare LHS is equal to RHS. So this is the force. This is the force. If this equation is correct, we can say A is force because we compare the force with compare. Okay. એટલે કે આપણે ફોર્સ સાથે ફોર્સને જ કમ્પેર કરી શકીએ છીએ. ફોર્સ સાથે આપણે દબાણ હોય, બરાબર, દબાણ એટલે કે પ્રેશર. ફોર્સ સાથે આપણે પ્રેશરને કમ્પેર ન કરી શકીએ, ફોર્સ સાથે આપણે એક્સેલરેશનને કમ્પેર ન કરી શકીએ, બરાબર ને. ફોર્સ ઇક્વલ ફોર્સ જ હોય, બરાબર. સો હિયર ધ force and this is also term known as the force. Okay. So here this equation, it is a correct equation. So we have to find out a constant A. So A is equal to F, and that is a directly dimensional formula of the force. It is M1 L1 T minus 2. Okay, that is M1 L1 T minus 2. Okay, so this is the dimensional formula of A. Now I want to find out the dimensional formula of B, that is B T square is equal to F. Okay, so here the B is equal to F upon T square. Put the dimensional formula F and T, it is M1 L1 T minus 2, and that is T2. So here the M1 L1, that is T minus 4. T plus 2 ન્યુમેરેટર માં આવે એટલે -2 minus 2 that is -4. Okay, so it is very simple. If the equation is correct, then the condition LHS is equal to RHS, it is fulfilled. Now another example here. Now another example is that the statement show that the expression of time period T of a simple pendulum of length L is given by T is equal to under root L upon G is dimensionally correct. Okay, if asked it is dimensionally correct, that is equation is given T is equal to 2 pi under root L upon G. This equation is given. Okay, L is equal to length of the string, G is equal to gravitational acceleration, T is equal to time period. So we have to just check LHS is equal to RHS. Here the time period it is M0, L0, T1, 2 pi. It is constant value. It has no dimensional formula. And here under root M1, sorry, L is equal to length of the string, that is M0, L1 and T0. Here the T1, sorry, L1, T minus 2. Okay. So here L1 is cancelled, T raised to minus 2 and whole raised to root. Okay, so here the only just I can write it is T1 and it is T raised to minus 2. Numerator ma આવે એટલે plus 2 and here the whole raised to 1 by 2, it is T1. So we can write it is LHS is equal to RHS. That is very simple. This equation is correct. T is equal to 2 pi under root L upon G. Okay. Now another example, write the dimensional of A and B in the relation. Here the relation is given okay. Please write the dimensional of A and B in the relation. Relation is given P is equal to B minus x square upon 80. Okay, and we have to find out A and B. A and B. Here the P is equal to power, x is equal to distance and T is equal to time. X is equal to distance and T is equal to time. Okay. Now here this equation is dimensionally correct. It means that is LHS is power, to RHS it is also power. Okay. Now first of all I will find out B, because here the term is B minus x square. Okay, મેં તમને કીધું હતું કે ફોર્સમાંથી ફોર્સ માઇનસ થાય, ફોર્સમાં ફોર્સ એડ થાય. ઇટ મીન્સ હિયર b minus x, x is equal to distance. It means b is distance and b is equal to, that is x square. Okay, આપણે ડિસ્ટન્સમાંથી ડિસ્ટન્સ છે એ માઇનસ કરી શકીએ, બરાબર ને? તો that is b is equal to x square. So that is here the L2, only just M0, L2, T0. That is very simple. Here we want to find out AT. So here this term is pressure, this term is power. And what is the dimensional formula of power? The dimensional formula of power is power is equal to what? Energy per time. that is energy is equal to m1 L2 t minus 2 upon time is equal to t1, m1 L2 that is t minus 3. Okay. And is equal to b minus x square. B is equal to L2 and here a into t. T is equal to t1. Okay. Now multiply in both side. A is equal to multiply and this is just simple. A denominator માં છે અને numerator માં લઈ જઈએ. So that is L2 AR M1 L2 T minus 3 into T1. Now only just calculating work. M1 it is coming from denominator to numerator, it is M minus 1. L2 cancel, that is L0 and it is here the T minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, it is coming to the numerator, it is minus 2. So A is equal to, that is simple, M minus 1 L0 T minus 2. Okay. Here's some mistake, that is T2. Okay. Yes, t minus 2, it is coming to the numerator, it is plus. Okay, so A is equal to m minus 1 L0 t plus 2. Now example number 1.15. Okay, the velocity v of particle depends upon the time t according to the equation. V is equal to, this equation is given, V is equal to A plus BT plus C upon D plus T. And equation is just like that, A plus BT plus C upon D plus T upon D plus T. Okay. So V is equal to A plus BT plus C upon D plus T. So here this is the dimensionally correct equation. So this is the velocity. This is the velocity. Okay. So this term is also velocity, this term is also velocity and this term is also velocity. Okay. So here, yes. From this term d plus t, here the time sorry, we adding the time. Okay, so આપણે એવું કીધું હતું કે ટાઈમમાં આપણે ટાઈમ જ એડ કરી શકશું, બરાબર ને? સો હિયર ધ d plus t. So time is equal to time, so d is equal to t and that is t1. તો પહેલું ટર્મ આપણને મળી ગયું છે. શું મળ્યું છે આપણને? d is equal to t1 because it is adding in the d. T is equal to time. So here d is equal to t is equal to t1. Now yes, it is very simple. And LHS, it is velocity, so RHS, it is also called velocity. So V is equal to A, it is L1 T minus 1. Okay, so here the A, we have to find it. Here the D, it is T1. Now we want to find out C. Okay, and B, it is very simple. V is equal to also called BT. Okay, this velocity, this is also velocity. So it is B is equal to V upon T. V is equal to L1 T minus 1 and this is the T1. Okay, so B is equal to L1 T minus 1 coming to the numerator, it is L1 T minus 2. Okay, so here the B we have to find out. Now the last, it is C, D plus T. So last term it is also v is equal to, we can write d plus t, because this is the velocity, this is also velocity. Okay, now in this equation it is just simple d plus t. The dimensional formula d plus t, it is same. Okay, that is c d, it is t1 and plus t1, and I just ask you that is t1 t1, it is all, both are time. Okay, so in dimensional formula we can write it is L1 t minus 1, it is c upon t1. Okay, now subject बनाविए, that is L1 t minus 1 into 1, that is c is equal to L. Yes, here we have to find out A, B, C and D. Okay, so dear friends, if the equation is dimensionally correct, we have to find out the constant in this equation. Okay, now second thing is that is logarithmic function, sine, cosine, tan, cot, cosec, sec, all are the dimensionally function. All function, it is dimensionless. It means I want to just say that if sine theta is given, okay, so in this theta is equal to, it is also dimensionless, remember that. Okay, it is just like cos, sine, tan, cot, cosec, it's all the trigonometric function, it is dimensionless. And logarithmic function, that is just like that e raised to a, e raised to theta, it is dimensionless, it is m0, l0 and t0. Okay, all are the logarithmic function that are the dimensionless. And this study we will do in next lecture. So remember this, I will calculate this type of sum. Okay, and it is also the part of checking the consistency of the dimensional formula. Okay, there are the something different from that. Okay, તો અહીંયા આપણે એક નવી મેથડ છે એ ભણ્યા છે, બરાબર ને. આનું અસાઇનમેન્ટ હું તમને ગ્રુપમાં મૂકી દઈશ, બરાબર ને. અને આનું અસાઇનમેન્ટ છે એ તમારે સોલ્વ કરવાનું છે. આવા ટાઈપના જે સમ છે એ તમારે સોલ્વ કરવાના છે. ઓકે, લેક્ચર આપણે અહીંયા પૂરો કરીએ છીએ, કમ્પ્લીટ કરીએ છીએ, પણ આપણું વર્ક હજી અસાઇનમેન્ટ સ્વરૂપે બાકી છે. અસાઇનમેન્ટ આપું એ હું તમને નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં સોલ્વ કરાવીશ. ઓકે, એન્ડ ડિયર સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, પ્લીઝ do work hard, complete your homework and send in the group. Okay, and this sum you have to only calculate only just one times in homework. Okay, and any type of difficulty ask me, send my WhatsApp number. Okay, I will send you back. Okay, so please do your work properly. તમને આ વેકેશન નથી મળ્યું, બરાબર ને. This is not a vacation. This is a improve ourselves. Okay, safely we just save ourselves, because અત્યારે તમે જોવો છો કે કોરોનાનું કહેર એટલો બધો છે, બરાબર ને. કોરોના છે ચારે બાજુ હવે આપણી પાસે પણ આવી ગયો છે, બરાબર ને. એટલે બહાર નહીં નીકળશો, માસ્ક ખાસ પહેરવાનું રાખો અને હાથને સેનિટાઈઝ કરવાનું રાખો. ઓકે, યસ ડિયર ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, વી વિલ મીટ ઇન નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચર. ઓકે, લાઇક, શેર એન્ડ સબસ્ક્રાઇબ માય ચેનલ. ઓકે, એન્ડ ધીસ વિડીયો યુ કેન સેન્ડ યોર ફ્રેન્ડ. ઓકે, થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ. વી વિલ go further in next lecture. Thank you.